Okay, so welcome to the south of France and into Euromair HQ. Okay, so this area here is the export section where machines are wrapped onto pallets ready for delivery. See some here ready to go, to be loaded onto lorries later tonight. So this machine here stores all the parts, a big selection of parts. That's the order number, or the part number. It's there, and then it lights up with where your part is. Saves you searching through shelves. So here, big selection of every part you could possibly need for the machines. Enough space in here for 3,500 euro pallets. So you've got everything from chassis of the smaller machines and all the way through some of the slightly larger items, spare wheels and tyres, all ready to be assembled. And in this area we have the paint section. The machines come in, sandblasted, ready for painting, then go into this big oven and come out looking shiny, ready to be assembled. So this is the fabrication section. So bending machines for bending pipework and metal. And through to the other side you have the fabrication for the welding. So you have 4 welding bays. Machines being put together and ready then to paint. And into the after sales service section. This is where machines are sent for servicing and repairs if they're damaged on site. Obviously this is for the French market. Just at CES we cover all the stuff in our own workshops. So this is an area that's being used quite a bit this week. Is the spray demo area. So set the machines up on this gridding, makes them a lot easier for washing out, and there's a very clever system underneath that takes the product through the back and into the sacks up the top there, so then the water gets recycled through for jet washing the machines down. So back inside, we're into the showroom area. Pretty much every Euromair machine in here, including one of the first made drop pro 8Ps. See, they've come quite a long way to the modern day. And you've got some of the other machines, so piston pumps, compressors, and a display area. So in here we've got machine production. So these are the production lines with parts laid out. And finished machines ready to go out. You see all frames on the tables, so each part then put together before it goes through for testing and then ready for dispatch. So over here we have a production line for the diesel machines. These are one of our most popular machines in the UK. See how they're built. So engine bay, chassis. This one here is actually an electric motor, available in 3-phase. And the mixing and pumping tanks put on. And eventually it will be canopy and ready into the finished machine. See a bit further along here. Ones that are a bit further down the production line. the end here, which is the nearest to being completed, with the mixer and the pumping hopper all fitted. And finally the finished machines, ready to be tested and then sent out. Into this area here where stickers are produced for the machines, produced on a computer and then printed out on these rather large printers. And here we are in a outside display area, mainly used for today to show off the screed machines from the X Pro range. So these aren't normally manufactured in France, they're manufactured in a Spanish factory, so still made in Europe. Nice area to be able to show things off. And then into another outside display area. Fantastic backdrop and quite a sun trap. So this is where the bigger machines are demonstrated. It's the X-Screed machine. And then we have a spray wall for some of the lime and hemp products. Just look at that landscape. Okay, so there you have it. There's the run through of the Euromair factory here in the south of France. Really great to see a European manufacturer using European parts to make good quality machines. I must thank Euromair for their hospitality over the days we've been here. It's great to see how the company operates, and we look forward to offering their machines in the UK market going forwards.